Hello everyone. Today we will see how to use search function in Excel. So let's start. We will use this dataset uh, in this tutorial. So both find and search functions identify the uh, number of place of a certain letter or text. So let's do it for find, and then I will do it for I'll do this with search function, then you will get the difference. So first find, if I use find function, then I need to find this text comma within this text, and if I give closing bracket, we can see here number 8 is given. That is, here in this sentence dogs appear 2 times. So if I don't mention any number here, then it will identify the first place of the first dog. Okay, so here we can see, if I start counting, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So dogs, that is D, starts from 8th place. Okay, so this is how we can use find function. Now I want to know where the second dogs is situated. So here I am again typing the function. Then I want to find this text. Then within this text, and now I don't want the place of the first dogs. I want this one. So previously we calculated the first dog's place, that is 8. So if I want this, then our this search journey should start after 8. Okay, if so, I am starting 9 closing bracket 24. So if I we count from here, we will see D, the second D will appear at 24th place. 24 is the character number of this one. Okay, so let's do it. I am doing the uppercase of dogs. Here dogs is written as uppercase, all the letter are in capital letters. So in this case, will the find function will work. Find, I want to find this text within this text. Okay, see, an error is showing. So this is the limitation of this find function. That is, uh, find function is case sensitive. Okay, so in this sentence the dogs are written in small letters in lowercase, but we want to find dogs but in uppercase. So find is unable to give us the result because find is case sensitive, but search is case insensitive. Okay, so if I'm copying this and pasting it right here, instead of find, I am using search. Now I want to find this text comma within this text. So if I don't give any number, then I will get the uh, number of I will get the place number of this first dogs. Okay, giving enter, you can see the same result we can have. Now I will do it for the second one also. So here we can see we wanted to find dogs which is in uppercase letter, but in here dogs is included but all in lowercase uh, order. But if we use search, then it doesn't matter for search. Search is case insensitive. It will still give us the result. So if I now the first letter is typed as uppercase and the rest are in lowercase. Even in this case, if it is just dog, the search will not be able to find that. But because dogs is common in both of the places, but here the first letter is insensitive uppercase and the rest are lowercase. In that case also search works. Search is case insensitive. So search, I want to search this or find this within this text, but now I want to find the second dogs, that is the first dog's place is 8. I want to start this journey from 9. Closing bracket, enter. You can see the same result we have got. So this is how we can use find and search. Find is used for find is case sensitive and search is case insensitive. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.